You search how to buy shares of KB Financial Group Inc-ADR. KB Financial Group is a South Korean banking and financial services group, and its ADR trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KB. This is an educational walkthrough, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker KB to find the ADR. Look for the NASDAQ listing and the name KB Financial Group Inc-ADR to ensure you select the correct instrument. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for KB. Double-check the listing details and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your KB position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this guide.